Okay, hello guys, and finally I'm back again because I wanted us to actually see how the trade in how auto trade looks like. So this is the VIP 6 account. The account was upgraded from VIP 5 to VIP 6. This is the account that we did the trade before. So this is it's a follow up of CHY Mall honest review number 14. So this is a follow up of the 14th, the auto trading VIP 6 account. So I have set up auto trade already. Remember when we entered the video midway because the system was so busy and there was a lot of high traffic and we couldn't actually get to pay the items. So this time around I just tried to refresh the page and I noticed that everything has gone. So I would like to explain a little bit. If you see here first, if you look at this place first, you'll discover that this is exactly where you and I were, where we ended. We ended around here. Remember, it's a VIP. It was a VIP 5 account, and if you know about CHY Mall products, you will definitely know that these are VIP 5 products, right? Great. So with the VIP 6 now, we have the water purification system. So we bought one piece, only one piece under auto trade. So if you go to auto trade, the network, I'm not very sure it's so good now. I will definitely show you exactly again. I'll just like to make a review of it all again to let me be sure that CHY more has it's still not really the best. Okay, so what happens is if you go to the home page, like we started the trade, we went to the home page and we took auto trade. So if you take auto trading, if you take auto trading, you just have to pick that VIP 6 product. As you pick the VIP 6 product, that's all, and follow the procedure. This is what you get. Remember, you don't need to increase the number here. Some people will feel that, oh, since I need to buy two and three, I need to increase this to three. No, you are buying one product. Just look at the cost. You are spending all your money and you can only buy one product. So once you get this product and you pay it successfully, what happens next is you're going to have it this way. It will be splitted up like this. One product will be your new retail. Will go for your new retail. Remember, this is the amount here. This is the amount 2,160. So $1,200 will go for your new retail product, and two pieces at 480 each, 960 will go for your retail. And now it is in the company scare. It has been sent to the company. So now the difference between auto trade and a normal trade is that on a normal trade you will find it like 7 days left. On a normal trade you'll find like 7 days, or how many days left, yeah, 8 or 12 days, something like that on normal trade. But because this is auto trade, auto trade definitely takes 100 days. So it's 99 days now, 20 hours and 52 minutes left, and it's for the company. Now, how do you know if your trades are complete? Look at this. This is releasing. Releasing is zero. None has been released. Of all your trades that you have done, none has been released. So once you come here and you see like releasing one, it means that your one trade has successfully gone through. Then you can go and check your balance. You have your money. And if you see releasing two, your trades have gone through. Your second trade has gone through, and you obviously get your money. And another thing we should know is with this auto trading, you can only come back here like 100 days after this number of days to open a trade again. You must, it is not like auto trading for life. It's not for life. After 3 months, about 3 months or so, you need to come back to your CHY Mall account and open another trade, but you can come in anytime you find a digit here. You can a new digit, you can come in and withdraw your points. It's fine. It has no problem with that. You can always withdraw. In as much as withdrawal is fine, because I know withdrawal has really been a pain in the ass to everybody, right? Yeah, it was a pain in my butt too. I really felt that bad. Okay, so guys, this is all we have to know concerning auto trading. That notwithstanding, I will continue to say that I'm sharing a link of the Telegram group down in the always in the description. So for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe. And for those who keep watching and you're enjoying it, like and share. Let's do this. And we know it's going to work so well for us. Thank you guys so much. And I wish everybody a happy and a prosperous new year 2021. 2020 has come and gone with all its troubles, yet we are alive and strong, man. Means 2021, we're gonna kick in live and strong and solid, ready to face whatever thing that has to come. Okay, we continue to hope that we will take our trading the way to another level. With this upgrade, I'm having a heartbeat. I don't know about you. It's like let's hope that CHY Mall has come to stay. Whatever people say concerning the upgrade, whatever, even myself, whatever I say, it's from my own perspective. It's what I understand, it's what I foresee. But the truth is, we don't even know what the people who made this are thinking. They are the ones who hold the ball, the yam and the knife. The ball is in their court. So we are simply going and following whatever they're saying. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again on another video. For now, bye bye.